No siema. I jadymy dalej. Episode 2. Ties that Bind Part 2. In the wake of escalating trouble, Javier leads a group of the refugees towards the safety of nearby town. Dobrze. Dlaczego dzisiaj nie wrzucę? Bo jest godzina za 15:12, drogi kolego. A mi zależy na wyświetleniach i na grubym hajsie. Dobrze, jedźmy dalej. Oczywiście na YouTubie można tam cheerować radość z powodu, że w to gramy, dawając łapki do góry albo do tak zwanego wierchu. Tak, hoch, hoch. Fane hoch. No i jedźmy. Krótki był ten epizod, faktycznie taka godzina... Ile? Godzina z hakiem chyba, godzina 20, może nawet nie. Kiedyś były dłuższe. Szkoda, bo... Zawsze fajnie, jak jest dłużej w takich grach.
Please, let me do the dishes. That's the least I can do.
A to my się
No,
cofnij
I'm
zaś.
crashing here. Crashers clean dishes.
Your family. Besides, if they're not clean the right way, David becomes a big baby about it all. I'm a pro at this point.
A dobra, to myj.
I happen to be an expert relaxer.
If only you weren't a degenerate gambler, too.
Ouch. Damn, too soon. Nah, I know you don't mind, but I won't be here for too long. Just, gotta get back on my feet a little.
You're right. I don't mind.
But David does. Is that it?
Maybe a little bit. Actually, forget I said that. That wasn't for me to... Just forget it. Sorry.
Forget you said what?
Thanks. So where do you think you'll go?
Don't know. With what happened, I'd be amazed if I could get a job assistant coaching T-ball.
You'll land on your feet.
Well, here's hoping. I could use a fresh start. I'll probably just travel around, see what's out there.
Want to take me with you? Well?
Kate, come on. You know that's a bad idea.
Of course I do. I'm just messing around.
No tak naprawdę
It's
to ona
just hard
nie
to say no to a
messi.
fresh start. Always wanted to go to Norway, see the northern lights. You'll be jet setting and I'll still just be here. Oh, god damn it. Oh,
Ooh,
shit,
quick,
shit,
run
shit,
underwater.
shit. Well, that was David's army glass. Oh, he's gonna be so pissy about it. I can hear him already. Oh, it's so annoying.
Just blame me. Well, he'll buy it. I'm the idiot fuck-up, right?
That's true.
Exactly.
Fajnie
There
się,
you go.
fajnie się romansuje
See,
z
much
żoną
better.
swojego brata, nie?
What was that noise?
Fajnie, fajnie. Baby to są jednak
Guys!
wuje.
You're gonna be okay. Hello?
Krzywe.
My CO gave me that. And unless you want to dig up his fucking corpse, he's not gonna give me another one.
Why don't we get an actual dishwasher?
Here we go again.
Then you won't be on my ass anytime there's a spot on a fork.
Excuse me?
If we could even afford a dishwasher.
You're both overreacting, okay? It's not that big a crisis.
Stay out of this, Javi. We don't see your ass for a year. A year. Then when your life goes to shit, we're expected to drop everything and roll out the red carpet. All for Prince Javi. And now you're gonna start telling me how to talk to my wife?
This isn't about him.
Really? He's the one standing right there judging me for something he doesn't understand. You don't know him like I do.
Dobra,
Always judging everyone,
odpuszczamy.
except himself.
You know what? You're right. It's none of my business.
No, it's not.
I'm sorry about the glass. Really.
It's fine. It was an accident.
Don't worry, I can handle him. He's just in a mood. Trust me, it won't last.
Co za paskudne jakieś te... Taki porządny chłop, a baba mu chce udupić rogi i to jeszcze z bratem od niego. Masakra, masakra. Ach. Dramat. wyjebało bało. O! A.
Hey, take it easy.
What happened?
They got away.
Oh God. Mariana.
Mariatta. No Mariana już raczej nic z tego nie będzie. Szkoda. Ale przynajmniej była scena szokująca dość.
I already dug a grave for her.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yep, still dead. Plus jest taki, że w zombika się już nie przemieni, no. No you deserved better, no to jest tak.
You deserve so much better than this. Fuck, it wasn't supposed to go like this.
Javi, thank you for staying. I think you probably saved my life.
No, w sumie to nie wiem, co mam powiedzieć. Co to ma za znaczenie?
What does it matter now?
Ja się wczuwam.
They got away. It was pointless.
You bought your people time, though. That counts for something.
Well shit. To jakaś opcja jeszcze? A tego cassette playera mogę jej
Hey,
zostawić.
hang on a sec. She carried this around for years.
Martwe dzieci w grze. Ja nie wiem, czy mi to na YouTubie pójdzie. Może być za obrazoburcze.
I'm sorry I never found you those candy bars.
Ja pierdaczę.
You deserved just so much more life. You should have been the one burying me. Someday. Someday far away.
You did everything you possibly...
Można coś innego tu zrobić?
The other guys had this too.
Oh, shit.
What? Well, what's wrong?
Co to za omerta?
I've run into these guys before.
Who are they? Please?
They call themselves the New Frontier. They used to be
Ah.
decent people. Now they're something else. This brand they have, it's like an initiation thing. I was kinda stuck in their camp for a while. Not by choice. It was bad. I'm lucky to be alive.
What do you mean stuck? Were you a prisoner?
I got out. That's all that matters. They left one of their cars behind. That's something at least.
Good. Just like you always wanted.
I can take you back to Prescott, make sure your family's okay. But then I'm hitting the road.
You should stay with us.
Let's just get back to Prescott.
Ten mały dzieciak brzmi jak dorosła osoba, a to nie jest taki mały dzieciak, ona ma... Nie wiem ile ona ma lat w tym momencie, 15? 16? Stara dupa.
You're back.
My family. Did Eleanor get them here okay?
She did. Though, okay isn't the word I'd use to describe them. Eleanor's been doing what she can. You'd best get over to the infirmary.
You made it back. She asked for you. You know.
Ja to dupca.
Please just tell me how she's doing.
Well, she came through the surgery as well as could be expected. Those bastards did her one favor at least. Any lower, and that bullet would have torn her stomach lining as well. Your boy Gabe. He seems really fierce. He wanted to help so badly. He practically forced me to let him stay.
That's Gabe.
But she was bleeding so much he got overwhelmed.
So when's she gonna be up on her feet again?
She's stable. For now. But she's still bleeding inside. I don't want to lie to you. It's probably just a matter of time.
Boże, dźwięk... O Jezu.
I wish I could do more.
No, I don't accept that.
Za dużo
I
depresji.
can't.
I've done everything I can for now. I'm sorry, Javi. I'm going to get cleaned up. You may want to find Gabe. He looked pretty upset when he left.
Ja się
This isn't
obwieszę
gonna make him feel any
po
better.
tej grze.
Still,
I'll track him down.
Jakby mało było tragedii w życiu, to jeszcze w grze mnie muszą dobijać. Tu umiera, tu ukochana umiera, tutaj umiera dziecko, tu... Boże. Pamiętasz mnie z japaczki? Tak. Cześć. Witam wszystkich. Serdecznie. Ja nagrywam w tym momencie na YouTube'a The Walking Dead. Look at.
Flew in a plane just like this to a baseball game in Arkansas once. Lifetime ago.
Dramat. To jest żona od niego brata, tak. Tylko, że oni coś tam fifi-rifi, fafa-rafa. Była jakaś kombinacja tutaj, jakieś coś tu było, jakieś podchody. Co potępiam. To nie wolno tak udupić rogi własnemu bratu. No, tylko, że brata tutaj nie ma, no. Nie wiadomo, czy żyje i w ogóle. Także to trochę inna sytuacja niż tak w rzeczywistości bez zombie i bez apokalipsy. Oczywiście. Był taki film o bracie, co wyrwał mu żonę, jak on był na wojnie w Iraku. No, coś kojarzę. Widzicie, nie róbcie tak. Bardzo brzydko. Kiss był. No kiss był, no bo emocje były, no. Emocje wzięły górę, jak to się mówi.
How's she doing?
Not great. As well as can be expected. Yeah, considering.
If you'd waited for me instead of sneaking off the way you did, I could have helped. Would have been useful in the fight at least. Not that you had any way of knowing those assholes are gonna show up.
Tu się
I should
przyznamy
have
do
told you we
błędu.
were going.
Hey now, bygones.
Musimy
It's a hell of a
żyć,
situation.
musimy żyć dobrze z
Just
ludźmi.
know I'm praying for you, all of you. And whatever happens, you all are welcome to stick around in Prescott, if that's what you want. Nobody's gonna force you, but we'd be glad to have you all here.
Not gonna make a decision like that without talking to Kate, so I'd rather check in with her when she's feeling better, you know?
Sure thing. Let the lady weigh in first.
No.
Wonder if it would have been faster than the horses.
Dobra, mamy flachę z wodą i w ogóle. Mi się na razie podoba ten trzeci sezon. Jest akcja i w ogóle ludzie giną, dramaty są ludzkie. Tylko takie niewidzialne ściany, na przykład jak tutaj, takie głupie bardzo. Mi się bardzo nie podoba. Ale czyżby tutaj... No tu nie idzie przejść w ogóle, widzicie jakie to jest głupie? Na przykład tu nie mogę, bo nie. I idzie tak i idzie. Produkcja nowej generacji, takie rzeczy nie powinny mieć miejsca w ogóle.
Doesn't look super sturdy.
Sturdy. Ładne słowo. Ale podoba mi się ten design tych tutaj do klikania, tych chmurek takich i tego wszystkiego. Tak pasuje dobrze. A nie podoba mi się to w walce, te klawisze. Mi się nic nie
Hej.
podoba nigdy.
Have you seen a kid come through here?
Blood all over his hands, dark look on his face. Headed off that way, without saying a word.
Niebiesko
If I
oki
were you,
murzyn.
I'd give him some space. Just my advice. One parent to another.
He's had a really bad day. Can't let him go off by himself. Not right now.
Sorry to hear that. That blood, I take it that wasn't his?
His stepmom's.
You gotta stay strong for her. Do whatever it takes. Know if my Francine were in the same situation, I'd fight like hell. Anything we can do to help you out, just let me know.
I appreciate that.
Your boy stomped off towards the front gate.
Widzicie, jacy tu są dobrzy ludzie, dobrej woli? A, musimy stąd wyjść. A ja jeszcze zobaczę, czy tu na pewno nie można zrobić coś interesującego. Ale chyba nie. Tu jest randka. Randewu na śmigle. Znaczy na skrzydle. Każdy by tak chciał z was, ale byście musieli najpierw mieć dziewczynę albo chłopaka. Ten kursor jakoś tak idzie, trochę ciula to. Dobra, wyłaża. Rivals.
Gabe? Gabe, come on. Look at me.
I want to go back and bury Mariana.
We buried her. It was peaceful.
How could it have been peaceful?
I know how much you miss her, Gabe. I miss her too.
And Kate, she needed me during her surgery. She needed my help. I just ran away like a stupid little kid.
If I'd been there, I probably would have run too. Especially after watching what Mariana went through. I don't blame you for not being able to handle it.
Shouldn't have run. No matter how hard it was being there. I'm done feeling this way. Feeling powerless. I can't be some helpless little boy anymore. I need to be a man. Just like my dad was. He knew how men were supposed to act.
You're already a man, Gabe.
I'm not. But at least I know it now. Next time, I'm not gonna sit back and watch. I'm gonna do something. I have to.
Listen, Gabe. Shit.
Get inside! Now!
O! Akcja idzie.
We might have to leave. Make sure Kate's ready.
You can count on me.
I thought you kicked her ass out.
Ociu!
Knock, knock! Anyone home?
We know them. Those are the freaks that brand themselves.
I wish we hadn't had to come all the way out here, but unfortunately, Badger here says you attacked his man. He says you fired on him. Took out a lot of our people.
They shot first. They killed my niece. Shot a woman in cold blood.
How many of my friends died because of you, huh?
Sounds like a bunch of he said, she said shit to me.
But what the fuck do you want? An apology?
What I really want is for my dead buddies to be alive again. But I don't think that's too likely, is it?
He needs to come with us. Answer to justice. Accept his punishment. Men have gotta have laws, otherwise
No,
we're
myślę,
no
że
better than the animals.
wydupiej.
Go fuck yourselves. You're not getting shit from us.
That gate ain't bulletproof. Don't make me prove it.
Fact of the matter is, you stole from us. You killed some of us. Give it up now and get down here.
I think they need a little incentive.
You hurt her? I'll kill you.
Whoa! You didn't tell me you had a hostage.
It's gonna be okay, baby. I love you, baby.
All right, baby. Just give them what they want.
There's no reason this has to get ugly. But we ain't leaving without what we came for.
You hurt her, and I'll hurt you back worse than you could ever imagine.
Big words. The words are just that.
Ojej, no!
Oh my
Get your ass down here, or I cut off the rest of them.
What the hell are you doing?
I oto dupca.
Please, man. Just go with him. You got to.
He'll kill Francine.
Nobody's giving in to them.
We should start shooting.
No fucking way. He'll kill Francine.
He might kill her anyway, Conrad. We gotta risk it.
No.
Jebemy!
No way. We do not open fire while she's down there.
Kurwa mać!
Francine!
A! O kurde.
Oh, what the fuck? We don't have the go-ahead.
No, fuck you. Fuck the go-ahead. Ram the fucking gate.
Jesus Christ!
Fantastic.
Fucking tear gas!
I have to find Kate Gabe. Can you help us?
Go, man! I'll hold these assholes off!
Shoelaces.
Gabe!
Let's just use
O,
this. There's
jak na
enough room for her.
strzelanie w gazie.
Javi!
Head east. We'll catch up.
Czuję depresję. Dużo się dzieje w tym sezonie. Bardzo.
Are they following us?
Just the other car. Looks like we're okay.
Można to było w tej bazie chyba zrobić trochę lepiej, tak mi się wydaje.
Eleanor, thank God.
I can't believe it. All of our friends, all those people.
Teraz czarny
O, Conrad.
będzie na mnie zły, że... No. Tak mu powiem może, o.
We'll avenge her. I promise you that.
Oh, so it's we now? You're the one who opened fire. She's dead because of you.
Conrad, easy, buddy. This wasn't his fault.
Bullshit. Francine, Prescott, all because this washed up cheat walked through our gates. I should have known it the second I looked at you. You ain't gonna stand up for nobody but your own.
We just lost someone too. So, say what you have to say.
What? That's supposed to make me feel better?
Calm down, Conrad, please.
All I know is, if it wasn't for him...
Back the fuck off, now!
Co ten młody?
Just back away!
Take it easy, son.
Gabe, no, this isn't necessary.
What are you talking about? Yes, it is! I told you!
I get that you're trying to help, but this isn't how you do it.
Just do it already. I don't even care anymore.
Just put it down, Gabe.
Come on, kid.
All right, Gabe, that's enough. You've made your point. Put down the gun.
Don't touch my uncle again.
Fuck me.
Gabe!
Let him go.
Ja
He
pierdolę.
just needs to cool off.
Co te dzieci?
We have to go back. We have to bury her.
I wish we could, but Prescott's overrun. We can't go back.
Well, we're not safe here either.
What about Richmond? I've heard there's a community there. If it's true, they'll have food, walls, maybe even a hospital.
All I want is to find the motherfuckers who did this. They took my home. They took my... God damn it!
You want revenge? You're gonna need help. Maybe going to Richmond is the way to get it.
Richmond? Huh.
It's something at least.
Yeah. Fuck it. Let's go.
That's a spirit, man.
Jebać.
Huh. Maybe they'll hit it off.
Hope so. Might be good for them both. They need someone their own age they can talk to. Come on, guys. We got a long drive ahead of us.
Może się zakumplują jeszcze.
What can I do for you here?
I feel like I'm burning up. And I'm dying of thirst.
Na.
Here you go.
Thirsty isn't good. How's her forehead feel?
Hot.
Fuck. It's probably sepsis. Sooner we get to Richmond, the better.
Oh, God damn it. Oh, it really hurts.
Wow, I never knew you were the self-pitying type.
Hey, when you get shot in the spleen, I think they give you a self-pity pass. Javi, we both know what's coming.
Kane.
Ja tylko muszę zbanować użytkownika Kelelele jako przykład, że takie coś nie wiem czy jest spoilerem czy nie, ale wygląda potencjalnie jak spoiler, także przykro mi.
We do. And this is gonna sound fucked up, but maybe this is my chance for... Christ, I don't know. A graceful exit. Not many people get those.
You can't talk that way.
Hey, it's my deathbed. Just think about all that's happened. Mariana died, and I couldn't stop it. And Gabe, I heard what happened when we stopped. Isn't it obvious? Look, he might be turning into David. He might be turning into you. He's not that sweet little boy I first met. But maybe this is better.
He just needs guidance. And a lot of it.
I hope so. All I care about is him becoming who he needs to be. And it's gonna be on you to make sure that happens.
You know I'll be there for him. For as long as he wants me to be.
I do know. But it's still nice to hear.
Mogłaby jedna osoba chociaż nie umierać.
Hey, careful!
Sorry. You should get some rest, Kate.
Tu będzie taki pewnie... Będzie taki moment wyboru pomiędzy tą ranną, a tą nieranną, co prowadzi.
Parents just love pretending the rest of us can't
Że tu
hear.
będzie takie romansowanie, takie, że tu nie wiadomo, czy to taka, bo to nie wypada, bo ona ranna, ale ta taka fajna, no i w ogóle, wiecie. Taki konflikt nastąpi. Tak czuję.
Great. What now?
I've got some bad news.
So what's going on?
Well, we got a bunch of cars clogging the underpass. Too many to drive through. We're gonna need to move some of them out of the way.
Hey, I'm coming too.
I'll stay with Kate and keep a lookout.
Yell at us if anything happens.
Awfully convenient the pass is blocked like this.
Not convenient at all, if you ask me.
Rip.
If we move that car right there, we should be good. Come on, let's get to work and clear it out.
Ja bym jeszcze połaził, bo tu może wiecie. Nie wiadomo nigdy. O. Na przykład. Tu coś.
Might be worth checking.
No to pyk. O! Wręcz. Do walki wręcz, czaicie? Dobre, nie? Kurde.
We need to power it somehow.
Nie znam na tym.
There's gotta be a way to power this thing. I'll look around.
There's got to be. There's got to be way.
This is the release for the winch spool. Huh. But the lever's broken off. Now I can pull out the cable.
Coś tu wymyślimy.
Hopefully that'll hold. Still needs something to power this puppy.
Puppy. Pogadajmy może w ogóle.
How we doing?
Conrad doesn't look too good over there.
Tell me about it.
He's a good man, Javi. Known him a long time. This is just a dark day for him.
Yeah.
Keep an eye on him for me, all right?
Alright. Czy coś się dzieje? Pogadajmy.
How's Kate doing?
She's holding on. We're almost there.
Czymie
Let me
się?
know if anything changes.
I will.
A, tu jeszcze dużo do łażenia.
You good? Nah, man. I'm not good.
O,
I know.
też pytanie
Let's just get this
zadałeś.
shit over with
Zadałem.
and get to Richmond.
To ja. Kupię trochę.
Those might come in handy.
O, no i pięknie.
Saw you and Clementine talking back there.
So? We were just talking. She seems
A,
pretty
bo
cool.
on jest na tym etapie. Ja to nie lubię dziewczyn. Ja bym się pouczył matmy. Tak, to było. Musi się dać wejść na górę. Nie wierzę, po co ta drabina by tu stała?
What's up?
It's complicated. I had a friend. He had a wife, a son. He was really protective.
A,
Having people is nice,
to wiemy kto.
but it always ends up hurting in the end. Never think otherwise.
Well, well, well. Dobra, po drabinie nie wejdziesz. Tu już chyba nie zdziałamy więcej. Będziemy odpalać auto. Connect.
Pop the hood.
You'd better not mess up my baby here.
That'll do. Here goes nothing.
Tu idzie nic. Tłumaczę.
Hey! There we go!
Działa.
I think we're set.
Super dźwięk.
We good?
Be ready to move once the wreck is clear.
Coś się zjebie.
Should be right behind you.
Coś będzie źle.
Get the walkers!
Zum Beispiel. Kurde, ale dajcie mi widzę. Kurde. Lol.
Eleanor, now! Go, go, go! Just drive! Get her to Richmond! We're right behind you! They're through! Let's go!
O kurde.
Thanks. Shit! Van!
We got bigger problems here.
Na dach!
The roof! Go! Get up there, Gabe! Go!
O panie. Ej, tego na dole trzeba było strzelić. Aha.
Come on!
God damn it! I knew this place didn't feel right.
What the hell are we gonna do now?
We have to come up with some kind of plan.
Czekamy, nie ma na co czekać. Biegniemy.
We don't have a choice. We gotta fight our way out.
I'm not sure I like our odds.
Great! This is just fucking great! What the hell are we gonna do?
Calm down.
Calm down? I'm not
Spokój,
gonna
Downa.
fucking calm down. Eleanor's out there alone right now.
We wouldn't even be in this mess if it wasn't for you.
That's not true.
Fuck you,
Whoa,
Conrad.
whoa, whoa, stop! There's somebody over there.
What? Where?
Shit.
Everybody get down!
Wait, was this all a trap?
Keep your heads down. Guy could have a rifle.
Whoever you are out there, we don't want any trouble, okay? What the hell? He's gone. Everyone stay here and keep behind cover. I'm gonna see what I can find out.
Be careful.
Bitesko. Umrze albo Czarny, albo Geralt. Jaki Geralt? Kto wy mówicie, że to jest Geralt?
Don't make a move! That's right. Now stay where I can see you.
To jest opony są płaszczem przykryte, głupcze, tam nie ma nikogo.
The hell?
That thing's not a toy. Drop it, or you might hurt yourself. Now then, I'm not gonna shoot. Not unless you make me. I just want to talk. You got me? Just want to have a word.
So talk.
Okay then. You, the two guys there, the kids, the women in the car, I saw you split up. I overheard that little argument just now. Your friends over there aren't gonna shoot me, right? You folks have your shit together? If you're some kind of broken tribe, then let me know now.
They're good people. They've lost a lot.
Sure. We all have.
Recently.
Ah, fresh wounds. That makes sense. You're going to Richmond. That tells me you got something to do with what's going on down there. Question is, whose side are you on?
Look, man. I don't know what you're...
O kurde, o kurde, kurde.
Don't move.
Well, is he one of them?
Hey, man, what do you mean by them? Who's them?
You know what I'm talking about. The New Frontier.
What? No, I'm not with those guys. You got this backwards.
Javi, this guy's full of donkey shit.
I don't think he's with those guys.
Look, I'm telling you. I'm on my way to Richmond, just like you. I lost touch with some good people there when the New Frontier took over.
What did you say?
The New Frontier? They took over Richmond? Don't tell me you didn't know that.
Fantastisch.
Fuck. Oh, God. Eleanor and Kate. They're headed right to the middle of those assholes.
At least now we got an excuse to go after those motherfuckers.
What are we gonna do?
We need to go. Now.
No fucking shit we need to go.
You're the one who's been skulking around. You got any ideas?
There's an old train tunnel that runs under the James River. From what I hear, it should be a straight shot into Richmond.
A train tunnel.
I could lead you guys there. But since a hobby here said you're good people and all, maybe you could lower those guns first.
Lower than my ass. We're gonna tie you up and make sure your story checks out.
That's really not necessary.
I don't know.
Ja tam bym go
We
związał
just met
jednak.
this guy.
Bind his hands. Better safe than sorry.
Bardzo dobre powiedzenie.
Whatever you say. Ready? This way.
Hey. What do we call you?
Sorry, forgot to introduce myself. It's Paul, but my friends call me Jesus.
Ciekawe czemu. O, flashback z Wietnamu. Z tym bajtlem na plecach.
We can hide in here. Don't worry. It's gonna be okay.
Przecież nie mogę zginąć we wspomnieniu. Na logikę. No ja nie oglądam serialu, także ja nie wiem tego.
Come on. AJ, it's all right.
AJ morda.
I know. You're hungry. We're gonna wait for them to go, and then we're gonna find you some dinner. Hopefully find us some dinner.
Son of a bitch. Hey, I can hear you in there. Let me in. Please. God, there's so many. Please, don't leave me out here.
Dobra, wpuścimy, no. Jolo. Kurwa, dzięki.
Oh, shit. Hey there.
Hello.
Pretty big group of them out there. But it'll pass. Eventually.
Are you hurt? Any bites?
No, no bites. Shit! God damn it! Well, I'd say we make a pretty good team. Two of us. Well, the three of us, I mean.
You and I are not a team.
Ja nawet nie wiem, kto
This
to
is
jest.
my team.
Pretty small team.
We could have survived without you.
Yeah, well, I couldn't have survived without you, and I'm not too big to admit it.
Babka jest podejrzana. I to nie dlatego,
You
że
guys living here?
rasizm czy coś,
You
tylko
seem kinda young to be a mom.
w ogóle jest podejrzane dość.
What are you, 13? Damn, you're a child yourself.
I knew his parents, but they're gone now. I'm all he has.
Then he's cute and lucky. He has someone looking after him. Not much of that anymore. We were out there scouting. Nothing out of the ordinary, and then chaos and shit. Those bastards are slow, but god damn it when there's enough of them. I got separated from the others. God, I hope they all made it. Thought we were ready for anything. But they were all around us before we saw them.
What were you scouting for?
Gas, water, any supplies we could find, really. Sure as hell wasn't worth it. My people are probably at the rendezvous by now. What's left of them, at least. By the way, I'm Ava, and my group, we call ourselves the New Frontier.
To takie buty.
Hey, why don't you come with me? Meet my people.
Z wyrole.
We have food, blankets, bottled water.
Wszystko się wyjaśniło.
Come on.
Nie,
Dinner's on
podziękuję.
me.
Groups aren't really my thing.
No woman is an island. Have it your way. But you did me a solid here. I won't forget it next time we cross paths.
There is no next time.
We'll see. The world does work in mysterious ways.
Coming back to reality.
These tunnels were abandoned decades ago, but I've heard you can get through. Here's hoping.
Javi, I need to talk to you.
About?
Look, I appreciate you keeping quiet about me and the New Frontier. But what I told you earlier, it's not the whole truth. I wasn't their prisoner. I was one of them.
Kurde bele.
I should have told you sooner. I really should have.
Oh my god.
Jak to było źle zagrane
Just
w ogóle,
listen.
tak w złym momencie to powiedział.
I'm not asking you to forgive me, but you have to understand, I had nobody. I was all alone, and I thought I didn't need them, but they were very persuasive.
Co złego robią w tym New Frontier? No generalnie są źli.
It was a mistake, and so was not telling you about it.
Tell me you're not still one of them.
No way. Believe me. I just had to explain, because if they're really in control in Richmond, I can't let them see me. I just can't. So when we reach the other side of this tunnel, I'm leaving.
Y'all planning on joining us?
Ci o murzynie.
You all hear that? Coming from over there. Can you see anything?
Aha. Cózek.
They're everywhere! Fuck! They are. Keep sharp. Watch out!
Too late.
Javi, help!
LOL. Na pyrę i z buta.
Take him out.
Thanks.
Fuckers are everywhere!
Christ almighty, Conrad. Now every walker in the fucking county is gonna be heading this way.
Come on, follow me.
Enter the Matrix. Jota dupca.
What the fuck? No one ever mentioned a train in the way.
We better find a way around it, or we're fucking dead.
Maybe we can just go through.
Well, does it open?
I got it! Come on!
Daylight's ahead. Thank fucking God. Let's go.
I can't have those walkers following us. Javi and I will block the door. You guys go ahead and make sure it's clear.
Make it fast. We'll be right ahead up.
I'm staying here.
Hold the door shut until I can find something to barricade it with.
Hurry!
Ah, shit! I'm gonna have to break this thing off.
Hurry! They're almost here!
No dobra, no.
Javi! I can't... There's too many! Help! Watch that through! Now! Okay, let's go. We gotta...
I wouldn't touch that gun, girl. You either, cowboy.
What the hell are you doing?
I heard you too. You think I'm stupid?
Ojej.
Finish your little story. Now.
To jest czas na historię.
You need to talk.
Conrad, this is crazy.
What's crazy is you coming for her. Roll up your damn sleeve.
What? Why?
To jest czas na tłumaczenie.
I fucking knew it.
You're one of them?
You're goddamn right she is. What other bullshit did you shove down our throats, huh?
She has a right to her secrets like you have a right to yours.
Secrets isn't the point. You're missing the bigger picture, son. Don't you see? We bring her to Richmond, they'll give us whatever we want. Medical help for Kate. She's our bargaining chip.
They won't bargain with you. You don't know them.
Won't know until we try.
She's not a bargaining chip. She's a friend.
Oh, I'm sure after less than a day.
Dobra, no nie wiem, spróbuję tak.
How's that for an answer?
Go to hell, Conrad. I'm not doing this. If you want to shoot me, shoot me.
How about I shoot your little boyfriend here instead? Then don't let her walk through that door.
Yeah,
She has to shoot anybody. Just tell Clem this is how it's gotta be. And then we all step into the sunshine. Come on, man, be reasonable. This helps both of us.
I'm just gonna go.
Don't take another step.
Javi, please!
You know this will work.
Nie no, idziemy. Nie będę następnego zabijał. Potem jakoś to tam po drodze rozwiążemy.
But you said...
I know what I said. It's not worth Gabe's life.
Później będziemy się martwić.
Come on, Clem. Start walking.
You're a fucking coward! A fucking coward! Javi, how? How could you?
Zawrzyj pysk.
I couldn't just kill him, Gabriel. You have to understand
Oh,
that.
I understand it just fine.
Think whatever you want. We're going. If you really want Clem to live, do this my way.
Why the hell has he got a gun on Clementine?
O Jezus.
You want to tell him or should I?
It's a long story.
Out with it! Why is there a weapon in that girl's back?
No reason. He's overreacting is all.
Like hell I am.
If you just take a deep breath here.
She's New Frontier. Has been all along. They're gonna be real happy to see her again. I'd put money on it.
He's not wrong. This could be useful.
But right now, we need to find Kate and Eleanor.
You're right. Let's move out.
No nie patrz się tak, no... Tak trzeba było.
The gates are this way. If your people are here, that's where they would have ended up.
Why is it so quiet? Thought there'd be New Frontier marching in the streets and shit. Practicing on walkers or... whatever the fuck they do.
Don't get too cocky. They could be watching.
Roger that.
Trust me, they're out there.
Kurde, gwiazda, co ty gadasz?
Ah, fuck. Did they see us?
I don't think so.
Can you see anything, Javi? What are they doing?
Łażą, no. A, dzięki za
That's the
suba,
guy.
Crackers.
Keep it down.
Crackers zapisuje sobie ciebie do listy, potem doliczę. Dzięki za subka, piękne, pozdrawiam.
Kate? Kate, can you hear me?
Pionacz.
Kate, talk to me. Say something.
Javi
Yes.
could really use something to take the edge off right about now.
I think you smoked it all.
Kate! Are you okay?
Come here.
Where's Eleanor?
She went ahead to get help. She hasn't come back.
Damn it. They must have got her.
Jesus, how far is it to their
O
compound?
Boże, same
Not too much
dramaty.
farther now. A couple blocks at most.
Gabe, help me lift her up. I'm thinking Kate's not gonna make it much longer. So it's time we walk up to their front door and say hello.
That mean we're doing this my way?
It might. But so we're clear, you follow my lead until our people are safe. Understood?
Fine.
Here we go.
Dzisiaj w nocy nie śpię. Too much dramaty. Too much emotions.
There it is. New Richmond.
This is a mistake.
Just shut up and keep walking.
Here,
Murzyn...
Kate. I'm gonna get you inside, okay?
Javi, if they can save me, how about you and me finally take that trip to Norway?
Zaraz będę płakał.
The Northern Lights. Remember?
As long as we make some time to hit the slopes, I'm in.
Jesus, there's a solid possibility this isn't gonna go our way. If you want to stay behind, I wouldn't blame you.
Hey, this is where I was going in the first place.
Hey!
Zaś ten
You
chop.
again? You must have some kind of death wish.
She needs medical help.
And you have one of our people.
Uh-huh. What's your point?
Sorry about this, Clem.
Yeah.
Clementine! How long's it been?
Not long enough.
Cute. She's got you mixed up in all this? Who is she to you? Doesn't look like she's here by choice, so...
She's our friend, which means what we're doing right now doesn't sit real well with me. But if we can't get inside those gates, Kate'll die.
All right, you have my attention, but I'd be lying if I said I was convinced. What do you want to do? Go get the boss. He's gonna want to see this. Now, all of you, lower your weapons.
Not a chance!
Might be a good idea to play along here, at least for now.
You put him down, I'll see that as an expression of good faith.
Dobra, no opuszczamy broń.
Nice and easy.
Everybody, put him down.
Guess you were serious about this after all.
What the hell's going on out here?
They said they weren't here to hurt anybody, so I was trying to see if they...
Oh my god.
I oto dupca.
Dad?
Powiem szczerze, prędzej bym się spodziewał nie wiem kogo. Kwaśniewskiego czy coś, ale to powinno trochę ułatwić sprawę, szczerze mówiąc. No to byłem w 34%, które zostało, 56, które otwarło ogień, w 14, które związało, czyli z tego, hipstersko, w 8 i 7, które pozwoliło pojmać Clementine, w 95, którzy tam poddali się. Generalnie trochę hipsterzyłem, trochę nie. Tak, ta co dostała kulkę między oczy, to była córka tego pana, tego przywódcy. Także jak on się dowie, że dostała kulkę od jego ludzi, myślę, że będzie wesoło. No i to tyle. I to tyle, moi drodzy. Na następne epizody musimy czekać. Coming soon. Mam nadzieję, że nie jakoś super długo. Bo jest naprawdę ciekawie się bardzo zrobiło i mi się podoba. Także cóż, dziękuję wam za uwagę. Zostawcie łapę do góry, zostawcie suba, jak jeszcze tego nie zrobiliście. Wpadajcie na Facebooki, G2A i inne. To by było na tyle. Trzymajcie się. Pa pa.